is my thing on? All right, let me go on YouTube see if we're live or not. Should be live. Oh, we are live. Perfect. All right, we are here. Alrighty, we're here and we're live. All right, first thing first. Obviously I want us to take something out because we're in the middle. So either we take out these lows, go towards highs, take out these highs, go towards lows, some sort of structure. Whenever you're in the middle, I don't really want to trade anything right now because there's no trend. But looking at the higher time frames, we have a 1 hour right here that we rejected off of. Wait, let me clear everything else. It's 1 hour that we rejected off of. Let me see if there's any 4 hour. And we're currently in a 4 hour. Can't watch the stream and trade because I don't have a YouTube Premium. What does that mean? Oh, wait. Oh, because you can't have it running in the background? Is that why? What that mean? Yeah, trading in this 4 hour currently, rejecting off of the 1 hour gap that we have right here. So I have to keep that in mind. Yeah, I'm on my phone. Dude. That's the only way. With Trade C, I'm pretty sure everyone's gonna start trading on their phone again. But here, while we wait, these are the settings that you asked for. Or I don't know if you asked for it or somebody else asked for it. Anyways, take a screenshot of this. I only have the Asia London. These are the timings that I haven't marked out. And then all of this. I even have it. I'll send it in the questions chat, but just for right now, you can have it for a little bit. But how was everyone's weekend? Which y'all do anything fun? I've just been locked in, man. I'm so sore from the gym. It's actually insane. But it's a good feeling. It's a good feeling. All right, we are just ripping up. Let's see. We might take out these highs. These highs that we have at 04. Except we just took out London highs. Want to see what we do from there. We're in this 1 hour right now. We just broke out of it, honestly. Wow, we're just pumping. We have about 23 points before we get Asia highs done too. What time frame do you enter on? I enter on the 1 minute, but my setups come from the 5 or the 15. So I'm looking for setups on the 5:15, and then my entry will be off the 1 minute. But right now, honestly, we're just trying to see what the market wants to do. Obviously, you want to stay patient a little bit, but we also have this 5 minute that could be marked, but we're at 15. But you gotta wait for this candle to close first. Other than that, to the downside, we don't really have much fair value gap wise, but we do see a clean sweep right now London highs. Just trying to see if I can have a entry model to the downside. That's what we would need. The only entry I'll see is off of this gap right here. But we also need 13 minutes. Morning, say. What up, fishy? Morning, bro. But yeah, right now it's just too early to determine what we want to do with the day. It's been 2 minutes into the market, so one thing I do want to obviously go over this week is just being patient, honestly. So that's what we're going to do. If we don't have to take a trade, we don't have to take a trade. Simple as that. But as of news-wise, we have no news for today. Everything's passed already. So on news side of things, we're all good. We just need price to be smooth. Form a clean entry model. Enter. Make some money. Call it a day. Go on by my day. Just like that. Nope, I'm getting Twitter notifications. Okay, it's not Trump, so we're good. The 1 minute is starting to look nasty. So this is something I'm not a fan of. ES looks a lot cleaner, and ES is leading. ES also did take out Asia highs and London highs, and Q has not took out Asia highs, so that's concerning. Kind of want them to be aligned. So, hey, bro, how you doing? I'm chilling, Cam. What about you, bro? We chilling. It's a beautiful day, a beautiful week ahead of us. I'm excited. Requesting a payout today, so more money, more problems. But it's a small payout, not too much. How'd y'all trading go last week? I wasn't able to trade because of work and appointments for the pregnant wifey. It's honestly good that you didn't trade. Like, if you would have took my trades, you would have probably been red. First Tuesday, we caught a 182-point banger, followed by 3 consecutive losses. Not good. I did a whole trade recap on it. It's in the Discord. I did like a little class. It was like 15 minutes long. If you go into the trade recaps, it's there. We just talked about like what I saw, what went right, what went wrong with every setup. Kind of like a learning point for everybody, because education priority. And then we talked about news for this week and stuff too, so you can check that out. Good, bro. I'd love to hear it. Hey, bro. I appreciate you. Good morning, Tris. Good morning. Good morning. But yeah, no. I am 2 payouts away from going live with a firm, so that's something. I don't know if I want to do the live route, but I mean, it's easy money right now. I'm just flipping payouts because, bro, this month has been terrible for me. I've had to look at your recaps. I've blown 7 Ps and down 3K this month. Definitely the worst month for me yet. Well, I mean, if you think you're at rock bottom, bro, there's only one way, right? So, but yeah, honestly, I mean, for me personally, this month it's been okay. Nothing too crazy. It's not bad at all either. I've had decent payouts throughout this month. Hey, what's up? All right, NQ is starting to dump, and ES is still around highs. This is something I'm not liking because they're not aligned. So what's up, yes, sir? What about y'all, man? Are y'all getting close to requesting a payout, passing accounts? Like, what are we working with here? You know, what's the goals for the week? I want to try to get another payout on those accounts. So me personally, I mean, I'm not trading those today because I already got my $200, like my winning day. So I got a request today, and then I can trade them tomorrow. So hopefully should have another payout by next week. I was 1K away from a payout. Now I'm 12K away from a payout on a 150K trade. If I think, or is that a lightning funded that you're doing, or is it like did you just go on a bad like tail? Or is it just been like consecutive like setups that have just been failing? Yeah, lightning. Okay, yeah. What's your sizing on that? I used to run two minis, or two minis on the lightning funders because it's the same as the 50K. It's just you just got a 3x it. So on a 50K you gotta get 3K. On 150K you gotta get 12K. So yeah, what's up? What's up? I'm just chilling, man. I'm just waiting on market to behave. NQ and ES look they're kind of aligning. I don't know. I want us to take out these highs and then make a move towards lows. But here's my thing. There won't be like it's too wicky. There's this 5 minute that we can take our entry off of, but that's about it. See, give me your signals. What up, buddy? I got you. Just for you and your girlfriend, bro. I got you. Consecutive failed setups, couple of bad entries, not till just bad judgment. Aside with 8 micros, yeah, I mean 8 micros is not bad. You're gonna go on those streaks where, everything you take just goes against you, and it's good to just refresh your mind and come back in, which I know you did. So, what up, Bob? Yo, Huddy, bro, I might have to hit the hot tub today, bro. I'm so sore, and we got legs today. Yeah, bro. No school today. Crazy blizzard. I'm glad you're home then, bro. Cause I don't know what I would do if there was a blizzard here. 20 inches is crazy. How is I don't even know. What state are you in? 20 inches blizzard? I think there's a blizzard going on in New York. Yeah, 20 is kind of crazy, bro. How long does the city take for it to Boston suburbs? Dude, yeah, no. How long would it take for everything to be back normal from that blizzard? Couple days? Or everyone's just shoveling out there. I don't know. I wouldn't know. I've never been in a state like that before. Anyways, we have this 5 minute right here. Possibly take an entry off of. Not liking ES and NQ, but ES they got both highs. NQ has not, but this is our best shot at entry to the downside. So it's chilly in Florida again, so bipolar. Yeah, bro. I walked outside yesterday. Haven't been outside the whole day. I was just working. I went outside. Dude, it was windy. It was cold. And it was raining in the morning too, so that's typical Florida for you. And we are just running. We're just running. We're just running. Wow. Okay. This is insane. We're just gonna shoot right towards lows. How far is lows? 863. This is kind of crazy. How far did we dump already? Dump 44 points from entry. wouldn't get the entry right now. Anyways. And we're just dumping. We're just dumping. We're just dumping. NQ dumping. Yeah, it's just going without no entry for us, unfortunately. Like, there's no structure for us to take anything off of here, at least for my model. ES is also dumping. ES has a lot more room to the downside than NQ, but I don't know. There's this 15-minute gap that we can, wait for an entry. Oh no, we already closed below it as well. There's nothing literally right now for us. This is crazy. It bounced off my shadow supply indicator. Yeah, I want to know. Oh, look, you want to create an indicator, bro. Make my life 10 times easier. Have it like literally programmed so it marks out everything for me. So I'm just here, just waiting. And it like, I just need an indicator to tell me when to get it. So I'm basically doing nothing. Nah, I look, you want to have like an indicator where it has like a checklist. So I think Dodgy has it or somebody, where it literally marks out everything that you're looking for. And I just need that just to see, just so I'm not looking at like higher time frames and bouncing back and forward. I just want to see the confluences on each time frame align, and bro, we'll be fine. It feels like -7 degrees. Bro, I woke up in my place, it was 66 degrees, and I was freezing. I can only imagine what you're going through, bro. Up a ban on shorts. Hell yeah. What was your entry, bro? I didn't catch anything. I couldn't catch anything. Did we form equal lows? No, we didn't. But yeah, I mean, I gotta wear a t-shirt and shorts at 66 degrees. Well, I mean, I go to bed just with the shorts on, so yeah, I was freezing when I woke up. I did not want to get out of bed today. I'm not gonna lie to you guys. It was too cold for me, bro. But looks like we're about to take out these lows. The whole move happened without us. Somebody say blizzard. Yeah, my guy Bob is in a Boston blizzard right now, 20-inch snow. Kind of crazy. But yeah, guys, I mean, if we take out these lows and Asia lows, I mean, there's nothing for me to take. And it's a Monday, so I mean, I want to be cautious. I want to stay off. We have the rest of the week. I don't want to start the week off with an L, and have to work towards making up that L the whole week either. So there's just nothing out for us right now. Like, we can take shorts off here, target these lows, but if you just, consolidate and stuff, so I don't know. Man, we just took London low. Yeah, we're about to take, that's London lows, yep. Kind of crazy. Hypothetically, I mean, if there were no lows here, I would have my limit set at 877. We got filled right there, and I would be in shorts. But right now, I'm in nothing because we have London lows and price tends to react around liquidity levels. So I don't like shorting or longing around the levels. I like to target them as price targets. 580, I'm gonna call it a day, bro. 580 on a Monday, that's amazing. Call it. You don't need any more, bro. If you need more, buy some evals or something if you want to trade more, because do not trade your regular accounts. Would you look at that? If you would have entered, we probably would have gone stopped out right now. That's why you don't enter around liquidity levels, guys. We're learning something new here. Class is in session. Damn, and you really like London low. Yeah. Trump says countries will get higher tariffs for playing games. Like, yo, I don't think there's a single day where Trump is not going to say something about tariffs or Iran now, bro. Every single day, every single time I check on Twitter, he's saying something. But from the looks of it, guys, I don't think we're going to get a trade today. I feel like what we're probably just going to do is start consolidating. We already took out London's. There's Asia high and low to take out. I feel like when we do take that out, we're just going to continue on that direction. I feel like that's what we would do. Looking at the daily time frame, I mean, we're still inside Friday's range. So that's something to watch out for as well. Looking at the 4 hour, 1 hour, I mean, there really isn't much going on for us right now. I remember back in Trump's first term, him speaking influenced the market so much that we were trading on easy mode. I don't know what happened this term. Yeah, man. Whenever Trump, that's when I first I think started trading. Yeah, 2020. Yeah, he was president. Yeah, that's when I first started trading, man. And now look at him. He's just causing havoc. All that guy wants is war, bro. It's kind of crazy. By the way, ES's structure looks so much better. There's still no entries for us, but like it just looks a lot more cleaner. There's a 30-minute that we can take, but I don't really, but it's whatever. I'm not dying for your setup here today. But yeah, probably wait here till a little bit longer, see if you start making a move towards a certain direction. Other than that, boys, there's nothing for me to take today. And that's perfectly fine. Being cash on a day is also a position. We made a good decision to stay cash, basically. And we'll run with it. Simple as that. Did you check the 7.5 time frame? It's OP. Here, bro, where's the custom? Okay, we're going to check 6.30. Oh, wait, 6.5. Oh, it doesn't even let me. So we're going to have to check the 8-minute time frame, too. Let's see. On the 8-minute time frame, we do see a liquidity sweep. Oh, my God. On the 8-minute, we're low-key moving. Why are we moving on the 8-minute? The 2-minute, 3-minute. Yeah, those that know, man, tells 3-minute strat cooking. Yo, what's good? What up, Phantom? Trying to see if he catch a trade, man, but ain't nothing going on for us. You have this 5-minute right here, but I don't know if I want to take longs. We haven't took out lows yet. And we're kind of in the middle of the range again. I don't want to enter and just let it consolidate. It's just a bad day for me, honestly. I don't want to take a trade today. I really don't. It's in the secret menu. That's why it doesn't want to show you. Yeah, they're trying to hide it. It's probably OP. That's why. ES is also tapping into this 5-minute. We have, I mean, we have a setup to the upside, but I just don't want to take, honestly. But we could forward test it and see if it would have played in our favor. Still would have not gotten an entry. Would want a candle closure above and a retest. Maybe we'll get in. Let me see where I would have my stops and stuff. By the way, I'm not in this. Probably have at the bottom of this candle wick right here. All right, we would be in longs right now, but I'm not in. Okay. Why is this run straight to TP? Because I'm not in. If this fails, I mean, that's a sign for me to get off, because this is a setup that I would have took, but I didn't take it. But yeah, what do y'all got planned for the rest of the day, man? Huddy missed this. Huddy didn't get an entry either. It's a profitable strategy to take the opposite of what Zay takes. Yeah. Honestly, yes. If you want, short this, bro, and it probably would work. Watch. Oh my God. Yeah, you're right. Okay, wait. This is literally the perfect chance. If you want to inverse my strategy right here, right then. I'm not a financial advisor, but I'm looking for longs, and if you want to inverse me, you're looking for shorts. And bro, it probably is gonna work. It's tested too, bro. It always happens. Look, bro, you be up 22 points. Oh, I got a question for you guys. What can I do to make the Discord better? I know we have a lot of education. I know most of y'all didn't even look at the education yet. But I'm starting to do classes. We have education. What is missing? What do you guys think is missing from a free Discord too, by the way? We'll be beginning in the B Tower today. Oh, I guess they're walking into our places today. I don't know for what though. Yo, it's Adriel. What up, Adriel? I'm not in this trade, Adriel, just to let you know. I'm just watching it, and I'm glad I'm not in this trade. It'll be better if it was free, not gonna lie. Damn, okay. I don't know if I can make it free, bro. Like, that's so much money, like, that I'm losing out on, like, and, like, all the time and effort that I don't think I can make it free. What's up, my boy? Start money spreading and lard to get instant members. I should do that. I should just sit on my balcony. I should just move my whole trading setup to the balcony and have the whole city as the view. Because in Vinny's terms, I could write off the whole city. Because he said anything that's in my webcam, I could write off. So he wants me to have a car in the background right now. Just one video trust. I've never money spreaded on the internet. I've never done it. I'm humble. That's just, bro. Inverse Z strap would cook right here, bro. Literally, inverse Z strap would cook. Not a single dime of profit that we saw in this trade. And that would have been stop loss. You gotta get a Ducati to put behind you. I'm not gonna lie, I could. There's a lot of space in this office that I have. LARP, all I'm saying, I've never seen Zay and Batman in the same room. It's kind of true. True, but people get so hooked just seeing that. That is also true. I don't want to give them the wrong image. Yes, trading is amazing. Yes, trading could get you money, but it takes a lot to get that. Why is there a random gap on ES, by the way? Anyways, y'all, there's just nothing going on for us, honestly. It's easy to write things off. Yeah, I have a CPA, so she knows how to do her stuff. I just give her everything. I give her all my expenses. And on Thursday, I'm going to find out how my taxes look for this year. And this is something I'm not happy about because I don't like taxes. I don't like them at all. So here's one of the things, guys. You know what got me all these cars? Knowledge. What happened to that guy, bro? I think his name was like Tate Cruz or something. Long time ago on YouTube. I'm just washed. I took 2 losses today, being just 1 trade away from payout. Dude, I mean, it's a Monday. Like, I wanted to take a trade today. It's just nothing showed up for me. So, I mean, I've just been on hands off, my bad. From that one commercial, yeah. You know what got me these cars? Not my business. Nothing. Knowledge. I don't want to be that type of guy, bro. Come on. Been getting cooked. I mean, it's just the first day, man, of the week. We got damage to do, bro. What you take, Matt? I want to see if anybody else took a trade, like in the space. I couldn't find anything. And if they did take a trade, I hope they won. I was in longs. You see that big 5-minute candle, the short one? Oh, this one right here? Yes, I do see it. I was in longs. That's insane. What were you trying? You're just longing towards Asia highs? Yeah, guys. I mean, I haven't traded. No setups for me. We've just been bouncing between London high and low. Yeah. Now 139.50 was my draw. Oh, you were aiming for this high right here. I see. Yeah. I mean, I haven't took anything. I don't think I'm gonna take anything today. But I just go offline and film, and that's it. Hey man, I took a stab at the stories. Oh, shorts and ran 100 points, then came back to break. Wait, what? Wait, stories. Okay. I ran 100 points, then came back to break even. I wanted to re-enter shorts, but I would rather use the capital tomorrow. 1 trade a day, no matter the results. There we go, LH. 1 trade a day or no trade at all, bro. Don't dabble in again because you got to break even. That's what the market wants you to do. It wants you to go on tilt. Just back off. Tomorrow's a new day. Enjoy the rest of your today, you know. Come back tomorrow. But, yeah, boys. I feel like I'm going to just end it here, honestly. There's nothing going on for us. No setups for me to take. My entry time is between like 9:30 to like 10:30ish, and I don't think we're going to do anything for the next 30 minutes. Instant 500-point candles coming, but I'm about to hop off. It seems like it's going to be a consolidation day, maybe transitional day, but either way, it doesn't serve my strategy too well. Yeah. Y'all see Justin Werling expose himself, saying in 5 years he has break even from trading only money he's made from his mentorship. Yeah. Kind of goes to show you can't really trust a lot of people in the space, bro. I literally saw that. I didn't see a lot of it, like the full story, but I did see a post about it, so I'm gonna read it and see. But yeah, guys, be careful on social media. It's so easy to fake things nowadays. You gotta find somebody that's actually legitly doing it and support them, aka me, and I can give you anything you want to see. That's crazy how I'm more profitable than Justin Werling. He deleted the trading community is cooked. He deleted the video like an hour after. Dang. There might be, there's going to be Twitter posts about it. I'll find it on Twitter. Can't trust anybody, man, but Z. Hey, I'm doing it legitly, man. That's used to go, man. Hey, I appreciate it. If I was making money, mentorships, bro, and making money off external sources, I promise you guys will not see me on live every single day. Like, I legitly have to trade to make ends meet, bro. Like, it's not a bad thing either. It's always the ones that offer for free that actually perform. Yeah. Doing it for the love of the game, honestly. First payout, renting a C63 AMG for a day and making an online course. Dude, you got to put on your bio that there's only 2 spots left. Okay? That's crucial. I've been with Zay for like a year now. He a real one. Fishy, no, you're the real one, bro. Fishy has been through so many ups and downs with me. It's actually crazy. I would like to meet all my OGs, bro. That'd be sick. All the OGs. But yeah, guys. When in doubt, look at the higher time frame and stuff. Like, we're not doing anything today. I suggest you guys just not trade. Like, look at this hourly candle. Like, this is nothing you want to be a part of. The move probably was the shorts that we had no entry towards. But yeah, I'm gonna be in the Discord if y'all need anything. It's a free Discord. It's in the bio. Join up if you haven't. I saw so many traders say Justin Verlander was really good at trading and reliable. No, I've always heard that too. I was really shocked when he said that. Adriel just ran out of C7 like Gabe say. I've been here from 8 viewers to 80 and back to 13. I've stuck through it with EG. No, for sure. And I mean, honestly, I'm glad I don't have that big of a community right now, bro. I feel like it just adds so much unnecessary pressure for me. And like, I'm not making money off of it, so why would I do that? I'd rather just go on here for free, talk to everybody for free, give advice. Well, not financial advice. Just have a good time while I trade and then call it a day. The less the better, literally. I want to stay niche. I don't want to get big. I think it builds more community when there's less. 100%. There's people that will always, no matter, I could go on the craziest losing streak and people are not going to leave me because they're in the Discord. They're in there for me. That's a flex. I ain't gonna lie. I'm doing so right. Oh, it was bad. It was all people only trying to copy trade and not if you wanted to learn to trade. That's exactly why, like, I don't like signal bots. I do not like them at all. I remember we lost like 3 trades in a row and people were going crazy in the old server. Bro, I literally had a breakdown. Did y'all notice? I was just sitting here having a breakdown live, bro. That's how bad it was. I couldn't even end the stream. Gabe had to end the stream. That day was really bad, bro. And after that day, I was like, bro, I don't ever want to do this. I thought Zay was going to pull the plug on the whole server. I was so close to doing it, bro. It actually pissed me off. And most of them were from Twitter. That's literally what it was. Twitter, bro. Twitter is full of nothing but signal botters. You go on there, they see so much eye candy, and everybody just wants to be like them. It's honestly insane. But hey, we can continue on this conversation tomorrow. I'll be live at 9:30. We have news, right? I'm pretty sure we do. We have 10 a.m. news. So, wait, what happened? I used to have a bigger community back when I used to trade Apexes, and what attracted them was my 40K payouts, my consistent wins and stuff. They all joined the premium, and all they were doing, they would not be active in the server at all. And literally the second I say, oh, I'm in this, everybody would just join the live just to see what I'm doing. And it, like, that's not what I wanted to do. I legit want to teach people and stuff and make people, like, have this as either a hobby or, like, a full-time gig. And truth be told, like, copying somebody is not going to get you anywhere. You have to learn yourself, like, and yeah, it just, that's the end of it, I guess. Who just called me? Whatever. But yeah, boys, I'll see y'all tomorrow, 9:30. We'll be live. We have 10 a.m. news. Most likely we'll probably take a trade before or gonna have to take a trade after. So have a blessed day, man. Please stay safe out there, Bob. Don't go outside, bro. That blizzard is nothing to play with. Everybody else, man, I love y'all.